What's up guys, Will H, and today we're going to be taking a look at my MacBook Air M3. So I decided to pick this up mainly because I want to get rid of my Mac Mini that I've had since it launched last year. It's the Mac Mini M2. I'm never at my desk, just there. I come back here and shoot videos. Don't edit on it maybe once a week. I'll watch some live streams or look up something on the internet or something like that. So it's just sitting there. So I decided I was going to go back with a laptop that I can just plug into my monitor and use it like that. So I did have the 15-inch MacBook Air M2, and after using that for a while, I decided that I wanted to get rid of it. Sometimes I get bored with stuff and I just sell stuff or send it back. So over the last few months, I've tried out several different Windows devices as well. Some of them pretty powerful. I would say, to me, I do like Windows, prefer Windows operating system a little bit better than Mac. Just trying to see what I felt comfortable with. And I just decided, since I'm almost back into full-time Apple ecosystem with the iPhone is my #1 SIM card, got the AirPods over there, and I just ordered the 13-inch iPad Air. Then I decided I'll just go ahead and get me another laptop, and when I need to use it at my desk, I'll just plug it in. So that's how we got here. I can't keep everything. Sometimes I have to sell stuff, and I'm trading in my Mac Mini, and they're going to give me so much for that on this device. So 13.6-inch liquid retina display with True Tone, 1080p FaceTime HD camera. This has MagSafe 3 charging port, has 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports, and it includes a 35-watt dual USB-C port compact power adapter. Has a backlit Magic Keyboard with Touch ID as well. Now this does support dual monitors, and it has supposed to be 18 hours of battery as well. So those are a few of the specs and details. Here's the packaging. I got the Midnight, which is like a blue color. Don't know if I'll like it. Depends on the fingerprints. I think I had this color before, but this one's supposed to be not collect as many fingerprints. MacBook there. Gives you the Apple logo. MacBook Air right there. And then here's some of those same specs that I read off right there. So let's go ahead and get into the packaging. Check this out. So hopefully this will keep my interest for a while. Like I said, sometimes I get bored with things, and I do like to try out all types of tech, and I won't stick with something, man. So with my channel, I have to move stuff out before I can get something else. I can't afford to keep everything. That's the laptop. Also in the packaging, you're gonna get our usual Apple stuff here. MacBook Air. This is gonna be your instructions pamphlet, I guess. Welcome to your MacBook Air, right there. Different things there, telling you about the ports and stuff like that. You get your warranty, and then you got your dark Apple stickers there. Pretty good. Now I heard with the new iPads, they're not going to have the stickers, from what I understand. So here's the 35-watt charging brick right here. Now I'm probably not going to use this. Maybe, I don't know. Here it is. That's the brick. This is a travel one. They got the dual USB ports right there. Put this over to the side. And then you got your nice braided cable here in the same color. MagSafe and the USB-C. So Apple always has some nice packaging. We're going to go ahead, put this back over here. And let's take a look at the laptop. So hopefully this is not too small. I had the M1. I think I had the M2 and 13-inch too. And I think eventually they become too small. So here it is. Now that's a beautiful color there, but I understand it collects a lot of fingerprints. I do like the black Apple logo there. Here's this side. You got your two Type-C and your MagSafe right there. The back hinge. And then coming around on this side, you got your 3.5. And then the bottom of it, you got your rubberized feet there for, you know, to keep it from slipping. This doesn't have fans, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go ahead and open this up. Very compact and small and thin. And there it is. You guys hear that famous bong there. And here's the keyboard, trackpad. Very nice. You got finger ID, touch ID right there. And it looks great. I think this is a glass trackpad as usual. And there's the boot up screen right there. Got your 1080p camera up there. Now, not a fan of this notch up here at the top. Not a fan of that notch, but it's there. And so I'm going to put my information in. We'll come right back. All right, guys, so I got my information in. This is what it looks like. This is the wallpaper out the box right here. You guys see that big notch up there. Here's your keyboard. We got your brightness level here. This is where you can swap between displays, search, microphone, voice dictate. I think this is for changing to dark mode or something like that. I'm not sure what that is there. Reverse, pause, play, forward, volume up and down, rockers, and then your fingerprint sensor. So far it feels good, fast. Just playing around with it for a few minutes. Been great. Trackpad is nice. Let's take a look at what's on the device out of the box. So here are some of the apps. You guys see just a bunch of stuff there that you can use that's already installed on the device. Very lightweight as well. And it's just one page right there. Now this isn't touchscreen. So you got other stuff here. Shortcuts, QuickTime player, stuff like that. You guys see, so that is Apple. Very fluid so far. Let's go ahead and get out of this. Let's go ahead and see how much storage out of the box we get here. All right, we'll go to storage settings. So out of the box, this is using 46.02 gigabytes. And I haven't added anything to the device yet at all, so it's gonna have plenty of storage. So this is gonna be perfect for me. I'm gonna use it for on-the-go editing, because at my desk over there, I never edit there. I always use a tablet, whatever tablet or laptop I have. I'll shoot in here in the morning, then edit in the afternoon. So yeah, man, so here it is. My new M3 MacBook Air. Look like it's going to collect a few fingerprints. Not too bad so far. Very thin, lightweight. I think that's what I'm going to like a lot about it. Throwing it in my bag and not even know it's there really, because you know the 15-inch was great. Wasn't really heavy. It was thin, but it was just kind of big at times. So, and this one's going to be small, too small at times. So we're going to make it work. The MacBook Air M3, Will H. I'll follow up on it in a few days. I'm out.